MicroStrategy continues to capture attention in the cryptocurrency market through its latest Bitcoin expansion. The self-proclaimed Bitcoin development company has recently acquired an additional 51,780 Bitcoin for a staggering $4.6 billion. This bold investment underscores MicroStrategy's unwavering commitment to digital currency, marking its place as a leader in institutional adoption. With this recent purchase, MicroStrategy now holds a whopping 331,200 Bitcoin, which it acquired for approximately $16.5 billion. Current market prices hover around the $90,000 mark, elevating these holdings to nearly $30 billion in value. Such impressive figures showcase the potential of Bitcoin as a significant asset class, particularly for institutions seeking to diversify their portfolios. To finance this acquisition, MicroStrategy leveraged its at-the-market share issuance program. This strategy enabled the company to sell roughly 13.6 million shares, generating the necessary capital of $4.6 billion. According to regulatory statements from November 18th, the company retains about $15.3 billion in stock that it can sell under this current program. This savvy handling of financial resources highlights MicroStrategy's strategic acumen. By using equity financing to fund Bitcoin purchases, the firm effectively aligns shareholder interests with its broader corporate strategy. Investors should take this into account, as the firm's innovative financial maneuvers strengthen its market position. This latest acquisition is part of a more extensive trend. Just 1 week earlier, MicroStrategy announced a purchase of 27,200 Bitcoin for $2 billion. Collectively, these recent acquisitions amount to around 72,000 Bitcoin acquired for $6.6 billion over a brief period. Such rapid accumulation positions MicroStrategy as a pivotal player in the Bitcoin ecosystem. The company's boldness is nothing short of remarkable. This significant uptick in holdings not only demonstrates the company's faith in Bitcoin, but also serves as an encouragement for other institutions considering cryptocurrency investments. The implications of MicroStrategy's actions extend beyond the company itself. Bitcoin recently surged past the $64,000 mark, indicating a rekindled bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Coupled with a notable increase in stablecoin liquidity and Bitcoin transaction volume, these factors cultivate an environment ripe for continued growth. Despite some reservations about potential bearish trends, institutional interest in Bitcoin remains high. The growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a mainstream financial asset positions it as a key player in the investment portfolios of companies and individual investors alike. Interestingly, the recent market reaction to MicroStrategy's announcements has generated mixed signals. In pre-market trading, MSTR shares dipped about 1%. Nevertheless, these shares have experienced impressive growth, remaining nearly 400% higher year-to-date. This stark contrast portrays a market that acknowledges long-term potential despite short-term fluctuations. While pre-market declines might raise eyebrows, they should not overshadow the significant returns investors have witnessed over the past year. The increasing visibility of MicroStrategy's investments boosts confidence among shareholders, further amplifying the company's reputation within financial circles. Repercussions for institutional investors. MicroStrategy's aggressive Bitcoin expansion sets a notable precedent for institutional investors. The company's pioneering approach may inspire other corporations to adopt similar strategies. Observing MicroStrategy's remarkable success could encourage firms to allocate portions of their reserves towards cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Furthermore, this ongoing investment campaign affirms the legitimacy of Bitcoin as a value-holding asset. The actions taken by MicroStrategy could potentially reshape how corporations perceive digital assets within their financial strategies. A strategic vision for the future. Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy's executive chairman, has positioned himself as a champion of Bitcoin. His public advocacy, particularly on social platforms, heightens awareness and generates excitement around MicroStrategy's mission. This outreach not only attracts potential investors, but also showcases the company as a leader in the financial technology landscape. The strategic vision driving MicroStrategy's Bitcoin expansion highlights the long-term benefits of holding and accumulating Bitcoin as a core asset. With each acquisition, the company fortifies its financial standing, well prepared to navigate any challenges that may arise in the cryptocurrency space. Evaluating market trends. Bitcoin's potential investors should also consider the macroeconomic factors influencing Bitcoin's trajectory. As traditional markets grapple with inflation and economic instability, digital assets could provide a reliable alternative for hedging against unpredictable financial environments. MicroStrategy's bullish approach in this context serves as a lighthouse for investors contemplating their own entry into the cryptocurrency market. As more entities recognize Bitcoin's potential, we can expect a surge in decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which may further elevate the entire crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin as a store of value as a digital asset. Bitcoin has begun to establish itself as a credible store of value. This aspect resonates well with investors aiming to protect their wealth against inflationary pressures. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin expansion reinforces this narrative, suggesting that institutional investments could lead to increased price stability over time. In this sense, Bitcoin's finite supply creates a unique opportunity. As demand increases with more institutional participation, the supply constraints could lead to price elevation. Such market dynamics further emphasize MicroStrategy's strategic foresight in accumulating Bitcoin while prices remain attractive. Conclusion. MicroStrategy's pioneering role in conclusion. MicroStrategy's addition of 51,780 Bitcoin for $4.6 billion marks a remarkable chapter in the company's ongoing commitment to the digital currency space. The firm's emphasis on acquiring significant amounts of Bitcoin positions it not just as a corporate player but as a pioneering force in institutional investing. As we anticipate future moves, it's clear that MicroStrategy will continue to lead in the realm of corporate Bitcoin investments. The company's journey reflects broader trends in the cryptocurrency market, continually captivating the attention of investors and analysts alike. As MicroStrategy forges ahead, its strategy will undoubtedly influence the future of Bitcoin and, consequently, the financial landscape as a whole. Investors and market participants should keep a watchful eye on MicroStrategy's future expansions, as they offer valuable insights into the evolving narrative surrounding digital currencies.